this is a battery. This is a source of energy. It stores energy inside it. This can be used to power your video games and other such electronic appliances. Here I have a bulb. This is a very small bulb, similar to those bulbs that you must have seen in your houses. So what this does is this converts electrical energy, or the energy stored in this inside electricity, into light energy, light that you can see. So if I touch this end to this side and this metallic end to this side, see what happens. It glows. I get light. So that is how a bulb works. I can also show you another example. Here I have a motor. This converts electrical energy that is stored in this battery into motion. Okay, so if I touch this end to this end and this end to this end, see what happens. You hear that? This starts spinning. So I'm converting electrical energy into motion. So that is so those are few examples of electrical components. So why are they called electrical components? Well, because we use electricity to make them work. So for example, this takes in electricity and converts it into motion, while this takes in electricity from a battery and converts that into light, while this stores that energy. So these are some electrical devices. But the problem I can clearly see here is that it is very uncomfortable to hold the battery like that. I wish I could have something or some way that so that I could keep them like this and connect them. How do I solve that? Well, I use these wires. So I can use these wires. So this wire has metal inside it, which is a conductor, but it is covered with an insulator, rubber. So I can use these wires to connect them and make them work. So I'll set them aside for now. Let us see some more examples of electrical components. So this was a battery. We can have other varieties of batteries, like this one. This is a bigger battery. This will have more energy stored inside it. Okay, and here I have a bulb. I can also have different types of bulbs. So here are some more bulbs. These are called LED lights. Okay, so these have the same function. They convert electricity into light. So we'll look at them again later. And then we can have other types of motors also. Like here I have a bigger motor. So these are various electrical components that hopefully you'll be working with in future. We can also have a look at some electrical components that are at our houses and that are much bigger than these. So let's have a look at them. So here I have a bulb. This is the kind of bulb that you must be having at your houses. So this is an LED bulb. This is a bulb that you use in our houses to light our rooms. So let's see how we actually connect them and what is the source of energy or the battery that powers the bulb at our houses. So if I look at this place, here I can see a switch. Okay, so even you might have seen this at your houses. So here these are the two wires that are coming from a source of energy that is not located at our houses, but it is located at a faraway place. So that is the source of energy that is lighting up your houses. So the source of energy comes through these two wires. It goes through this wire. So I have a wire going from here, and we can trace this wire to this point. So here the wire goes to a holder. This is called a holder, if you see, and I can take a bulb and put it inside this holder and the bulb will light up. So that is how the electrical components in your house work, especially the bulb. And yeah, that's it.